Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Komal and today I will be reviewing the Krea Easy Color Pro for you guys. I received this around 10 days back and since then I have been using this pretty often so that I can know what I feel about it and only then I'll be able to review it for you guys. So when I first saw this product, this is how it looks. My first question was how can this even be a curling tool, because this is so different from the regular curling wands that we all used to. So that made me really curious to buy this and see how this works for me. It is worth rupees 10,000 on their website, but they are selling it for rupees 4,500 at present, which according to me is a pretty good deal. Now coming to the review, this is by far the easiest curling tool that I have ever used. It literally gives you nothing to do. It does all the hard work by itself, and the highlight of this tool is its safety feature, wherein you do not have to constantly keep checking on your hair if it's burning or if it's curled or not. You do not have to keep waiting, so there are no surprises in here. Once your hair is done, the tool automatically beeps, and that is when you know that your hair is curled. Now the Krea Easy Curler Pro has three settings. The first setting is for the temperature. Now depending upon the texture of your hair, you can adjust the temperature of the tool before using it. So I always like to keep it at 200 degrees Celsius. The second setting is for the timer. Now you can set the timer ranging from 8 seconds to 15 seconds. I always set it at 15 seconds. And the third setting is for the kind of curls you want. If you're curling the left side of your hair, you have to set it at L. If you're curling the right side of your hair, you have to set it at R. And the third setting is the automatic one, which is A. That is for when you want just nice messy curls. So that is it. So like I already said, the Krea Easy Curler Pro is literally the easiest curling tool that I have ever used. So let's quickly begin with the video and let me show you guys how I use this to curl my hair. You can see my hair is pretty thick, and just for the ease of dividing my hair into sections, I like tying it up into a pretty high ponytail like this. And then what I do is I divide the hair in my ponytail into two sections. First I'll be working on the right side of my hair, this side, and so I just clip this portion. And then what I do is I take very small sections from the right side of my hair, of my ponytail, and I start curling them. So I keep taking such small sections of my hair and placing it into the curling chamber. Wait for the beep. Once the product beeps, you know that your hair is curled. So now I'm done curling the right side of my hair. I will just set it using a hairspray. And just like the right side, I will be now curling the left side of my hair. Then what I do is I open up my hair and set it. So once I've opened up my ponytail, this is pretty much what my hair looks like. And also I just roughly run my fingers through the hair to just open up the curls a little bit. And so that is it. You saw how easily and effortlessly I got my curls using the Krea Easy Pro curler. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and also found my review useful. If you liked the video, do not forget to hit the like button below and also subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.